Hi, I'm Christian Chan, CEO at AssetMark. Our theme of growth and inflation slowly slowing continued to play out in April, and that theme started to flow into interest rate expectations and, of course, the bond market. Here are a few key takeaways about growth, inflation, and interest rates. Let's start with growth. So far, the growth picture looks pretty good to me. This starts with a healthy labor market. Unemployment is under 4%, and we're continuing to add new jobs to the economy and new workers to the labor force. This has kept wage growth positive enough to support consumer spending, but not so high that it contributes to outsized inflation. So far, the main signs of weakness are coming from areas of the economy where higher interest rates are starting to take a toll, like lower income households and smaller businesses who both tend to have more floating rate debt and are now having to contend with higher interest payments. Let's move to inflation. Inflation has fallen dramatically over the last year, but that decline has really flattened out over the last few months. You see that same pattern in shelter inflation, which is the biggest component of core CPI. Now, we've had a big spike in new apartment construction over the last 3 years, and those units are starting to hit the market. As that happens, I think shelter costs will start to come down, and that should help inflation resume its slow trend downward. Lastly, when you put stronger than expected growth together with higher than expected inflation, interest rate expectations will naturally move higher. The equity and bond markets both adjusted to a potentially higher interest rate environment during April. And as that adjustment occurs, we continue to believe that simple risk management strategies like seeking diversification or adding a bit of reactivity to your portfolio can be really effective in this investing environment. As always, please reach out to your financial advisor if you have questions or need additional information. Thanks for watching this 2-minute CIO update. I'll talk to you next month.